Right. We'll go down through Windermere and yeah, we'll see what's happening. Let's make some noise. You. Yeah. Why don't we check in the mirrors? I'm going that way. What the f... Look, I mean... I'm not saying anything about the make of car he's driving. Look, says it all. I'm not speeding, I'm not doing anything wrong on this road. There is far too many rocks on the road. The camera's picking them up, but horrible. Yes, the back end is literally used to be a garage there. Drop down to the lake and then I'll go home and get a coffee. Do you know, it's quite a pleasure to see Bowness this quiet. So yeah, this is Bowness on Windermere, and yeah, I hope you like the lake. He was coming down here then. In 125 guy came here. The Glebe, Bowness. As you mentioned, there's quite a few places to eat, restaurants, cafes, hotels. A nice little pub restaurant down here called The Ship. And that's the place. It's really nice. You know, I'd love to go screaming, tearing up there on the back wheel. Should we? Should we? About 4 years ago I had an Yzf1000R. I was coming down this road and they just put that in and I didn't see it. Certainly made the old bum cheek tighten a little. Yeah, so we'll go back through out the dual carriageway and I'll cut a lot of that out. Yeah. I actually used to live in this house here. And yeah, just before my wife died in 2009, that's where we were living. For 8 years I considered that as, well, this is my back garden. That's a nice quad. Nice smiley face. Everybody's so polite, honestly, they're just... Now back to what I was saying about not needing a big 1000cc bike or something like that around little villages. When you're coming up in 1 in 3 hills like this, it's so easy. I mean, what's he doing? What's he doing? The things you see in Cumbria.